is to share that peace and to help all of humanity to attain that peace. And just think of that symbol of peace.
My name is Rod. It's a good experience. We choose to attend often, so it was a good experience and we feel light inside.
I live in Wigan. I did spend some time working in London as well in the past. I like the idea of being kind to yourself. I think sometimes we lose that, and I think we're too hard on ourselves, and that can be a barrier to peace. I think we need to forgive ourselves, and so we can move on. So I like that.
It was an enjoyable experience, learning on an individual basis, but nice to share in a room full of people. And vital that the message of peace is spread consistently and persistently.
I enjoyed it actually. It was just quite peaceful. A lot of all my stresses and worries that just disappeared for a couple of minutes, and it was open. It was nice to experience to share with everybody else.
What you said, you forgot yourself, and got quite emotional at one point. That triggered me to remind myself to have that moment to myself every now and again, take a break. But yeah, I got a lot out of that, from a lot more than I thought and expected.
Within, because when we're so busy doing all these things that we do every day, it's very rare to get a moment or a bit of time like that where you can actually go inwards and connect with yourself again.
Peaceful. My brain went a bit clearer. I've not done that in years. Okay. So yeah, to just do that for a moment, yeah, it's quite satisfying.
What you believe in, we're all equal. We're all put on this earth as equals. So that, going forward, and always has been my belief.
Dear brothers and sisters, I be the part of this today event in Wigan Mosque. Alhamdulillah, I am very different attitude change through this program, because I am born and brought up a Muslim, came from India, South India, Kerala, as a lawyer. I evaluated this program as a Muslim, but this is different kind of application, their system. Because this is the latest ideology, the latest implementation of Islamic way of process. Because nowadays Islam is misinterpreted by the interpretation making by our own people. Mainly the reason. I am not blaming third parties, because we have to change ourselves. This system is very nice. This system is aiming the point to what Islam focus.